Hey, what's up, Bree?
Hey Matt, how are you?
I am fantastic. How are you today?
I'm good. Thanks for having me back on.
Of course.
All right, awesome. So I have some more questions for you.
Yeah, what do we
Um,
got?
I have questions about whether or not we're entering a buyer's market. So are we right now?
Well, great question. A way to get right into it. And all the leading indicators are saying yes, we're starting to shift from what has been a very long and very strong seller's market to a buyer's market.
Awesome. So what conditions do you see that are leading us to this buyer's market right now?
Well, I mean, you want to take a look at the data. You never just want to make a gut feel uh, type of call. But what we're seeing is in June, 14% of all listings saw a price cut. And, that's up 33%. So 33% more people are dropping their price this June as compared to a year ago in June. And so that's one leading indicator. Another thing is that one of the sources we have showed that housing demand fell by 10%, and that's the largest decline that we've seen in 2 years.
Oh my gosh. So what does this mean for a seller?
Well, if you're a seller and prices are still high, I would act, and I would act quickly. In fact, my wife and I just put our house on the market this month because of this data. So if you're thinking of selling a home and you want to get the most money you can for it, it would be a good idea to go ahead and make that move right now.
Is that your dog I hear in the background?
That's Copper.
Oh, what kind of dog do you have?
There he is. He's a cutie.
Oh, so cute. So back to the question.
Yeah.
What does this mean for buyers then?
Yeah, so if you're a buyer, it's really good news. It has been a tough market for a buyer to find a home. A lot of buyers have been battling multiple offers for the last few years. Well, right now we're starting to see some more selections. We're starting to see inventory creep up, which is great. We're seeing houses sit on the market a little longer. You just heard that more people are reducing their prices. So houses are about to become more affordable for buyers. But there's one thing buyers do need to watch out for, and that is rising interest rates.
All right. So what about home builders right now?
Yeah, home builders are starting, they're another good leading indicator. Thanks for asking that question. Home builder confidence is the lowest it's been in over a year. So that's a good leading indicator for what's happening in the market. But basically, it just means that home builders are slowing down their production because they're afraid that they might not be able to sell the inventory that they are going to be building.
Interesting. So with all of this being said, what are your market predictions for the end of the year and going into 2019?
Well, I think through the end of the year, we're going to see more of the same that we've seen this year. I think we'll probably see inventory creep up a little bit, but we are probably going to see prices start to level off by the end of this year. Heading into 2019, of course, Charleston, South Carolina is such a strong and positive market is going to stay strong. I don't see a pricing decline. I do see more inventory starting to hit the market. I see inventory levels starting to climb a little bit more in 2019, giving buyers some more selection. We just have those two forces that are going to be trouble for home sellers. One is rising interest rates, and two is the prices have risen so much in Charleston already that houses are already tough to find. That buyers are finding it tough to find these houses affordable. So it's just limiting the number of buyers that could buy these houses, and that's just going to probably call for a pretty flat 2019 market in terms of house growth.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you so much for answering all of my questions today. If I have more questions, once again, how should I get a hold of you?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you are thinking of buying a house, or if you're thinking of selling your home and getting on the market before things start to change, just give us a call, 843-619-0401, or you can find us online at mattoneilrealestate.com.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for having me again. I hope you have a great day.
Hey, Bree, you too. And Copper says hi.
Aw, I'm so cute.
All right.
Bye.
See ya.